Hi, Mohammed. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, great, thank you. Very good, very good.
Okay.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from New Delhi, India.
New Delhi. Ah, okay.
Yes.
And how long have you been learning or practicing English on
Uh,
Cambly?
on Cambly, it's been just 1 month.
1 month. Okay,
Yes.
okay. And are you here for practicing for work or for personal interest?
For personal development, I can say personal
Okay.
improvement. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, okay. And have you always lived in New Delhi or have you traveled around?
It's been 10 years. I've been living in New Delhi, and I belong to eastern part of India, which is 600 or 700 miles from New Delhi.
Ah, okay,
Yes.
right. And why did you move?
Because of the job and business.
Work. Yeah.
Yes. Work.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I see. And what do you do for work?
I'm a businessman. I'm a digital marketer and IT person. And
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, I have a business in India and in US.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you travel to the US?
No, my
Uh,
business is
of-
registered in US. Everything is operated from here. I have a partner in the
ah.
US. Yes.
Yes. So you don't physically have to
Yes.
really go there. Okay. Yeah. Which is typical of modern technology. We don't actually have to physically go
Yes.
places very often, do we?
Yep.
Yeah. So it's so cool. Okay. Interesting. And so is it very busy with the work that you do? Are you very busy? Is it quite intense?
Uh, See, I've been habitual of this, and I came to know all this, insights of the business. I
Hmm.
I have to go through many challenges, but even that made me strong. I have to face so
Hmm.
many hurdles and impediments while doing business, but
Yes.
that made me strong doing and facing those challenges. So
Hmm.
I'm completely used to it.
Okay.
It's
Yes. It's
not a
just
new to me. Everything is,
yeah. It's
yeah,
just
going
another
smooth.
day.
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Okay, I see, I see.
Yeah.
And okay, so that's your work. And do you have time for your own like personal interests and hobbies?
Yeah, my hobbies are, speaking English. I'm also a public speaker. Nearby my address,
Ah,
I go for public speaking and doing practicing. So English is all
ah,
about my. It's a source of income, you can say. I generate revenue because my business depends on my English communication skills. So
yes,
I have to
yes,
work for this, and this is my livelihood. You can say it
mm,
keeps me bread and
yes,
butter. Yes. So
yes,
I
yeah.
go for the practicing, and I try to speak on some kind of topics and debate session I conduct. So
Okay,
yeah,
yes,
these
yeah.
kind of activities I do in the free session. Second, my
Mm,
hobbies are also like I love to watch movies and web series on Netflix. So whenever I feel
hmm.
free, I go and start watching.
Watching those, yes, yeah. In English
Yes,
or
in English.
yeah,
Yes.
in English.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. So you sound as though you keep yourself pretty busy, even aside from work.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me more about the public speaking that you do.
See, this has been my childhood dream
Hmm.
to go on the stage and speak for the people, and people
Hmm.
gonna listen to you. I have
Yes. Yeah.
been, it was a huge gap while practicing in English because I used to participate in, different kind of seminars and,
Hmm.
stage performance. Now I just
Okay.
started 3 months ago, and I want to be a Toastmaster. Toastmaster is
Hmm.
international platform where you can go for public speaking. You tell the stories
Yes.
of your struggle, of your life. People
Hmm.
gonna just get inspiration from your
Yes. Yeah.
speech. Yes.
I've
So
I've
this
heard
has
of
been my habit.
Toastmaster, but
Yes.
yeah, but I didn't know too much about how it works. Yeah. Is it similar to like TED Talks?
Yes. It's the
Yeah.
biggest platform,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
people participate, they practice, they learn the art of speaking, and they come to know how they have to speak or demonstrate over any topic.
Mm.
Or
Yeah.
you can also learn how to tell your stories that can be as an inspirational to the people. So the
Yeah.
Toastmaster will teach you all these kind of public stage performances.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
so that's
Yeah.
my dream, to participate and become the Toastmaster. And I've been doing these practices, and I joined Cambly just because of improving myself and practicing.
I see. Okay. And how often do you go for the public speaking session?
Just 5 days in a week.
5 days every week?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were going to say something like once a week or something,
No, five
once
days.
a
Five
fortnight.
days. 5 days in a week. I just go for
Wow.
this. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Wow. That's real commitment.
Yeah.
There's real commitment. And is it all in English?
Yeah. Everything is in English.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And what sort of topics do you enjoy talking about the most?
Any topic that should be an extempore. You don't have to prepare for those topics. Even
Okay.
people gonna ask any kind of questions related to your life or your career or
Mm.
your job or business or personal
Yes. Yeah.
experiences. People gonna ask any current situations questions, or you may be
Mm.
given a topic to speak and elaborate about those topics, or you are
Right.
sometimes you participate in group discussion or debate session, so
Mm.
that your mind start functioning and you will have a great presence of mind. Yeah, we still have
What
a
time
seven
is it
minutes.
there? Yeah. What
It's
time is it there?
10:45 a.m. in the morning.
Ah, okay. Yes, it's 9:15 here. I'm in the Seychelles.
In England, right?
Yeah. No, no, Seychelles. I'm
Where
from
is it?
England.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, but Seychelles, it's south of Dubai.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's south of Dubai and east of Africa. So yeah, it's in the Indian Ocean.
Oh, okay. So have you
Okay,
been to
cool.
any other country, ma'am?
Yes, yes, I have. So, as I said, I'm from the UK, from London,
Yep.
but I've traveled a little bit around Europe, of course, because that's quite easy. Italy,
Yes.
Spain, Greece, uh, those sort of countries. Austria,
Yep.
also. But just in September, I was in South Africa, Cape Town.
Yep.
Yeah, so that was interesting because that was the first time that I've visited a new country since
Okay.
before COVID. Because with COVID, it's been obviously very difficult to
Yes.
travel. So I was quite excited to go somewhere new and explore. Yeah, and it was a
Right.
really good experience. It was my first time in Africa, so it was
Okay.
a really good experience. Something, yeah, very totally new.
Okay. Why you don't have
Yeah,
hair?
I do. It's in a it's in a bun behind. So just
Okay. Okay.
yeah, it looks like I have no hair, but I
Yes.
do.
Yes. Yes. Okay, you
Yeah.
do. Okay. So what do
I
you do?
do.
What's your profession?
I'm a lawyer by profession,
Oh, okay.
real estate lawyer, but I'm currently on a career break because
Okay.
it was extremely stressful. And I was working in London. So I've been working in London. I was working in London for about 8 or 9 years as a lawyer.
It's a
Okay,
very busy day for me because I'm
no
going to travel
problem.
today. So I just ordered the
Oh,
book.
really?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay,
Hope
no
we will
problem.
see you again in future. Okay.
Yes, I
Thank
hope
you so
so.
much for
Okay.
joining.
Take
Bye bye.
care. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.